You want to sing? You ready? Whoa, counting. 1, 2, 3. 1. Hold on. Whoa, counting. 1, 2, 3. You got him. You're mixing the order up. It's not. You ready? Counting. 1. Hey, whoa, counting. 1. That's 4. There you go. 2, 3. Good Mogi. Mogi! Mogi! 1, 2. You're out of sequence again. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. You're out of sequence. It's okay, we'll just try it again. 1, 2, 3. 1. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's not a big deal. Come on, try again. 1, 2. You know what you did. 1, 2, 3. That was 3, but you did 3 at 2, didn't you? It's a problem, isn't it? It's a habit. Now you have to break it. Okay, we can do this. 1. Don't give me your sass. 1. Come on, Mogi. You ready? We're gonna count. 1. You just want to sing? Okay, you ready? We're gonna sing. Mogi! Mogi! We're gonna count. You don't like counting? How else are we gonna know when to start the song? You don't know, do you? 1. We can't just start on 1. 1, 2, 3. Mogi! Mogi! I know, we messed up, didn't we?